Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use Gmail confidential mode for sensitive info. Right guys, so to start doing that, just open up your Gmail, for example, from desktop with your browser, and then start by pressing to the compose button, and this will start off a fresh draft. So just fill out your recipient's address, your subjects, and draft your private text layout exactly like normal. And now look at the bottom utility panel right next to the blue send button. Look for the icon that looks like a padlock with a tiny clock face attached to it. This one. As you can see, toggle confidential mode. So click on it. And now as you can see, recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. And also if you want to set the expiration date, which as I see is actually mandatory, for example, expires in 1 day, you'll see the time when. If you require passcode, you can do through SMS. Then save, and then you just type everything in, to subject and your letter, and then send. There you go guys, you're welcome. If this was helpful, make sure to like the video.